look a lot better? So, if you haven't noticed, I'm using a new camera. Shout outs to the lady. She hooked me up big time for this season. 2019 coming hard with a GoPro 7 Black. Bow. I'm sure this looks amazing right now. And I'm sure now you get to see some of the funny things in my car, such as my cup holder. So, with that said, we're here at CLUBLOOSE 2019. Opening moves, I'm pretty hyped. We're here early in the morning. I'm pretty tired. It is about 7:30. Gate haven't opened yet. It's actually about to open, and there's a long ass line. Look at this long ass line. Can't go wrong with that. It's a long ass line. We're gonna wait, and we should be in there pretty damn soon. So, because this is a new camera, I only got 2 batteries, 1 charger. I gotta pick wisely what I put on this camera. I do have my other GoPros, which are GoPro Heroes 3, pretty old. From a 3 till black is a huge difference. So, yeah. Thanks, Miss Lady. All right, we are in. Now trying to find a pit spot. Look at this line. We are all set up. I gotta hold the camera in a certain angle because it's super wide, and I got the lady. She doesn't want to be on cam. So now we're about to go to tech. Let's see if she passes. What's up, brother? How's everything? Seatbelt's good, right? That's how it's supposed to be? Yeah, well, so hold that for you. We passed. Alright, we're back. We're putting on some sponsor stickers now. And yep, it's stuck there, so we're sticking it to there. We gotta represent. Gotta represent. Shout out to Sideways Fams for the beautiful fucking farm. Gotta do the other side now. It's just that time to go drifting. I passed tech and everything, so time to put her to work. cleaning off the cobwebs. Woo, my nerves are going crazy, but I gotta dust off those cobwebs. So, number 2, it's gonna be a lot better. To regain that seat time. That last one was pretty good. Hopefully we'll capitalize on that. So she drove pretty fucking good. Ripping it up. I'm gonna take the time to swap out some tires because they're pretty much done. Shout outs. So we got the first sesh done. Rocked it pretty good. I hope you guys like the footage, especially with the new GoPro Black. It looks amazing. So let's continue. All right, round 2. This one's gonna be a short one because I had to swap tires. So I'm gonna go out there for 2 or 3 runs and then we're gonna go. Today is an awesome day. I'm on my second session right now. I'm pretty much having fun, killing it. You know, rocking this. I already went through one set of tires. So I think today I might end up going through 2 sets. Usually I don't go through many sets just because low power car, we don't waste as much tires. But the first day of drift season has been epic. Between some awesome lines, some great shots, I'm getting some lots and lots and lots of photos from media. So make sure you ravish around CLUBLOOSE hashtags. For those that want to see this live, you gotta come out here to Englishtown, New Jersey, and check out this scene. It's well worth it. It won't disappoint, let's put it that way. So, gonna go back and continue my drifting. I hope you guys love the footage.
A person who thinks all the time has nothing to think about except thoughts. So, he loses touch with reality and lives in a world of illusions. By thoughts, I mean specifically chatter in the skull, perpetual and compulsive repetition of words, of reckoning and calculating. I'm not saying that thinking is bad. Like everything else, is useful in moderation. A good servant, but a bad master. And all so-called civilized peoples have increasingly become crazy and self-destructive because through excessive thinking they have lost touch with reality. That's to say, we confuse science with the real world.
Beginning of meditation.
Is reality. Obviously, no one can say because it isn't words. It isn't material, that's just an idea. Reality is expression of you as you are. One must live. We need to survive, to go on. We must go on.
Fucking great day. Today, opening moves was successful. Smurfette did wonderful. I went through 2 sets of tires. Probably one of my best driving so far. I hope you guys liked the new vlog with the a new camera. I hope the clarity is a lot better. And I hope, you know, I get more subscribers. So please comment, like, subscribe. Thank you for supporting. Hey, yo, shout out to the fucking media at Club Loose too, because they were taking pictures all day. Yo, shout outs to media, shout outs to Sideways fam, showing me love, supporting my build and supporting my drifting. You guys are awesome. You know, Club Loose, you guys are fucking awesome for doing what you do best, drifting. All right. For those who don't know who Club Loose is, look it up. All right. Look it up. You want to know what drifting is about? That's where you should start at, especially if you're in the Northeast. All right. With that said, I'm out. I'm driving home and don't need a tow. That's a great thing. Another successful day of drifting. Thank you for supporting. Comment, like, subscribe. Deuces.